Hi, Sista.
Hi, Sista.
It's
Happy Sista Sunday.
I know. I was just going to say that. So what did we work on today?
We were working on Halloween cards from the fantastic vintage Halloween card making kit, which I have right here. I can show you.
Anna had me at vintage.
Vintage Halloween. I'm in.
Vintage Halloween. This is a really cool kit.
It was gorgeous. And it's really not just Halloween. There's some beautiful fall
stuff.
Embellishments in there. And just the colors are just so warm. And so don't just think Halloween. It's definitely.
Right. Yeah. Because it's got some like fall card bases in there too. I was thinking about, pulling those out for my fall cards. So.
Yep. Thanksgiving. Yeah, definitely can work for that. So, All right. So show me what you made.
I'm going to go first today.
Yes, you're going first today.
I'm going first today. Okay. So this is a very, very layered card. So you use this really deep purple card base and a gold frame die. And then I have another purple card layer with a gold foil on it. And I've got some flourishes, and I don't know if you can see. There's two. There's a base, and then there's the sentiment.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I got flowers. I got this pretty butterfly.
Oh my gosh! And it's so layered. Oh my gosh! Look at that.
It's a lot of pop dots.
It's a fatty.
It is.
It's gorgeous. I love it. Of course, it's purple, so I love it even more.
I knew you would love it. Absolutely.
Oh, gorgeous.
Thank you. All right, your turn. Show me.
Okay, so here's mine.
Ooh, it's very spooky.
Right? Yes.
Yours is like extra Halloween. Mine is Halloween because it says Happy Halloween.
Yours is very classy.
Oh, yeah. I'll finish your card. I have something else I wanted to say about my card.
Okay. So it's the purple base card with it has some gold foil on it. And then I chose the orange layer it has the little gold foil. Mm-hmm. And then all the bugs.
Yes.
Insects.
They're creepy.
And I wanted to put everything askew. So everything is askew.
Right.
Opposite each other. This is going this way. This is going a different way. And then this is one big collage sticker, which I think are so cool in this kit. There's some fantastic collage, layer of stickers.
That skull could be Thorwald.
I know, right? And then let's see, I cut this, actually a glitter cardstock, from the new Spectacular Starburst dies. Added some glitter to this crow, added the two little moths in the corners, and then it just says "Boo to you."
So what is the gold? You got a couple little gold pieces in the background. What are those?
Like these little round ones. Those are, I think it's the smallest die from China Cabinet.
Oh.
I think.
Those are really cool.
Yeah. Yeah, I just wanted something in the background.
Right.
You
got to have just a little more gold in there.
Yeah. Yeah. Just because so a lot of the pieces are the gold pieces too.
Right. Yeah. I love that.
Boo to you.
It's a Thorwald card right there.
I know, right?
It is. So I realized I forgot to show you one of the layers. So can you see this right here? This is from the last year's Halloween cut and emboss.
Cut and emboss folders. Yes. It's kind of a starbursty effect, right?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah. So I point that out to you.
Yes, thank you. Nice.
But we both did purple.
I know, right?
Of course we did.
Of course we did. I know. Like, we're lucky we didn't choose the same exact purple, because usually that's what happens.
I did a double take when you said I used purple. And I was like, oh, nope, not the same card base. Close, though.
All right. Well, that was great. That was so great spending the afternoon with you and catching up and making our little Halloween cards together.
I know. I always love our Sista Sundays.
I know. Me too. So fun.
All right. Well, until next Sunday. Love you.
Love you too.
All right. Bye.